We will discuss the viscose fiber, its the source of viscose fiber, its microscopic view, chemical composition, chemical properties, and next we will discuss processing method, the steps involved in processing of viscose fiber, and in the end we will discuss about end users and application of viscose fiber. Let's start the first origin of viscose fiber. Viscose is derived from the cellulose or wood pulp from the fast growing regenerated trees such as eucalyptus, beech, and pine, as well as plants such as bamboo, soya, and sugarcane. It is cellulosic fiber obtained from the wood pulp of different plants. Second, we will discuss about the microscopic view of viscose fiber. Here is a two-type view is shown. Longitudinal view, as longitudinal view is seen in this case. Here is the longitudinal view, and the next is a cross-sectional view. Here is the cross-sectional view of the viscose fiber. Further, we will discuss about the chemical composition. As in the first slide we have discussed chemical composition. It's a cellulosic fiber. The major portion of viscose fiber is cellulose. Here is 40 to 50% cellulose, hemicellulose 10 to 30%, lignin is 20 to 30%, and other elements are below 10%, below 5%. So it is also known as a cellulosic fiber. The physical property of viscose fiber the density of viscose rayon is 1.53 gram per cc. Rayon filaments are available in different density 1.53 and 4.5, depends upon the end users or application of different fibers. Tensile strength of viscose fiber is less when the fiber is wet than when dry. It is 1.5 to 2.4 gram GPD in the dry state and 0.7 to 1.2 GPD in wet state. Stiffness, normally the stiffness of viscose fiber is 11.2 gram per denier. Moisture absorption, it absorbs more moisture than cotton. For viscose rayon, 13% moisture absorbs at 21 centigrade. As we when compare with the cotton has moisture absorbance 7 to 8% in normal condition. And the next is elasticity. Elasticity of viscose rayon is less than 2 to 3%. Action of heat at 150 or more. Viscose rayon loses its strength and begin to decompose at 170 to 204 centigrade. The most fiber has such type of reaction on bearing the heat. Elongation at break. High tenacity rayon has 9 to 17% elongation at break, while ordinary viscose rayon has 15 to 30% elongation at break. Resiliency. The resiliency nature of viscose fiber is low. Dimensional stability for HWM is high. Color and luster. The color of viscose is white. No color. Luster is high. Comparatively, luster is better of viscose fiber. Softening temperature at 149 to 163 centigrade, viscose fiber will be soft. Specific gravity. The specific gravity of viscose rayon is 1.5. Further, we will discuss about the chemical properties of viscose fiber. Effect of acid. Similar to cotton, viscose rayon is attacked by hot, dilute, or cold concentrated mineral acids, which weaken or disintegrate the fiber. Effect of alkalis. Like cotton, viscose rayon has high degree of resistance to dilute alkalis. Strong solution of alkalis causes swelling. with low loss of tensile strength. Effect of bleach. Viscose rayon is sensitive to oxidizing agents such as high strength hydrogen peroxide. As a result of bleaching of regenerated cellulose fiber may not always necessary before dyeing. Action of microorganism, mildews, fungus, bacteria affect the color, strength and dyeing property and luster of rayon. Clean and dry viscose rayon is rarely attacked by molds and mildews. Effect of iron. Viscose rayon is attacked with iron in form of ferrous hydroxide, weaken the yarn. Therefore, staining, marking or touching of rayon to iron or iron surface should be avoided. Action of solvents. Textile solvents can be used on viscose rayon without deteriorating effect. So different fibers have different chemical properties and different chemical behavior. Here we have discussed about only the behavior of viscose fiber on different chemicals. Manufacturing process of viscose fiber. Preparation of wood pulp, as I have discussed, mostly it is derived from the wood pulp of different plants. And first step is preparation of wood pulp. Wood chips treated with calcium bisulfide and treated chips then cooked with steam under the pressure. Second step is stripping soaked cellulose in 17.5% sodium hydroxide for 2 hours and produce soda cellulose. Next step is shredding. Soda cellulose is mechanically disintegrated in 2 to 3 hours to fine crumbs. Aging. During the aging for 1 to 3 days at 20 centigrade, the degree of polymerization falls from 8 to 350. Then churning. Carbon disulfide added to deficiency only 70% of theory. Here are the different steps. Next, mixing and ripening, and in the last it is the spinning. It is the complete process steps that involve from the plant to viscose fiber ready for the spinning process. Here is just a flow chart. Preparation: wood pulp, stripping, pressing, shredding, aging, churning and mixing, ripening, spinning and drying, as we have discussed in the previous slides. Here you can see the flow chart. Wood pulp treatment with sodium hydroxide, shredding and aging, and reaction with CS2, dissolving in sodium hydroxide, filament yarn and staple. These are the you can say the flow chart with the diagram of the viscose fiber from wood pulp to fiber state. What are the end users of viscose fiber? Viscose is cheap to produce and is versatile fiber fabric used for clothing items such as blouses, dresses, and jackets, and around the home in carpets and upholstery. Upholstery is the soft covering on chairs, seats, and that makes them more comfortable to sit on. Different application of viscose fiber. Viscose rayon is used in a multitude of applications. Yarn, in the case of yarn, embroidery thread, chenille, cord, novelty yarn, fabrics, crepe, gabardine, suiting, lace, outerwear fabric, and lining, coats and outerwears, apparels, domestic textiles, and industrial textiles. These were the applications of viscose fiber. I hope we have covered some important points about the viscose fiber, which involve the origin and chemical composition, physical properties, chemical properties, processing methods and uses, and different applications. We will see you in next video with another topic. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.